Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, Servisslimline. I have been so excited to do one of these videos because I've seen so many on the filler fridge and it has really, I don't know, I just really like it. It's something that I was like, ooh, I'd love to try that. And then I saw them in Morrison's and I was like, yep, okay, I'm going to give that a go. Oh my gosh, there is definitely got to be an easier way. It's not behaving. I just really like the cuteness. I've seen mini brands and mini brand videos for a long time, but when I saw this filler fridge, I was like, oh, if I see one, I will try and get one. Except I'm having difficulty getting the wrappings off. It's supposed to just slide off. There we go. There we go. That's the first wrappers off. Let's have a look for the second one. I was surprised at how heavy it was, actually. I thought it was going to be like a lot lighter, but it's got quite a weight to it. Plus, I like the color of it as well. It's very like 1950s. There we go. There's the fridge. On the back, we've got the batteries. So we've got a button for LED and UV, because you also use this to set some of the products on there. So we open it up. We've got 1, 2, 3 instructions. The light on the top, which is pretty cool. We've got the drawers on the bottom. So that is that drawer. First one. Now we've got some blue jelly. So this must be a jelly mold one. Second one is a fridge and a scoop and a can. We'll have a look. So we've got our first fridge magnet. We've got a can of strawberry vanilla. A scoop. That's the jelly mix. Plate. And some toppings, some orange segments. This one is going to be the drawers of the fridge and the shelving. Very well made. Really nice. It's even got the lip on the glass as well. So I'll put one in there. Put one on there. One at the top. And you will put the egg one on the top. There we go. We've got the fridge doors on. And the freezer. Okay, that is really cool. Right, so we've got this first one. I'll put all this together. And that's the instructions on the UV one. Yeah, I put that at the top. That's got the UV sign on it. More instructions. This shows you how to make the jelly mold, which we'll do in a bit. Okay, so it says pour some of the orange liquid. Take the little cap off. Into the mold. And then place the orange segments into it. I've got Bowie in here with me. He appears to be eating something. So let me go see what that is. Now pour the rest of the jelly on there. On the back of the fridge, switch it to UV. Open it up. Put it in. Under the UV light. (20 to 25 minutes). Okay. We'll come back in 25 minutes. Okay, let's have a look. Yep, that is completely done. So let's turn it out of the mold. Oh, the inside's not done. Hang on. Now I got sticky. That's weird why the inside wasn't. Done. Right, I'll tell you what I can do. Let's get the big boy out. Okay, so that is now done. I shoved it under the big one, the big UV light. Yeah, that worked. It's a little bit messy around the edges, so what I can do is cut it off. I think next time, after 10 minutes, I would... Shit, that is tough. Put it back in and turn it upside down. But yeah, we got a little jelly there, orange jelly, with the lid on it. We can put that there. Can of Coke, put that there. And then those I'll keep separate again for anything else. Okay, so let's open another one. These are a bugger to open. I bought 2 extra with this when I saw it in Morrison's. That's quite satisfying. Ooh, what we got? Another fridge magnet, different, obviously. Should be odd that I would have the same. We have got... we've got Ben & Jerry's ice cream. We've got a turmeric shot smoothie. These are very cute. They're so well detailed. Mike's Hot Honey. We've got Eggplant. Original thick. These look so real. My gosh, you don't really appreciate how good these are designed and made. Lamb chops. Amazing. And Natural Choice oven roasted deli turkey. So that's what we got in that one. I will use one of these and mark off what I've got. Right, so that's one. Let's do the other one. What have we got in here? We've got another fridge magnet, which is avocado egg on toast. We have got a fruit tray. That is so cool. We have got juice. We've got, it looks like orange juice. It's kind of not very orangey. We've got a can of tropical punch pop. A fish. Oh my god, that is so real. Love it. And finally, oh, that is so cool. We've got a pizza. Is it pizza? Pizza Hut. What the hell is that? Looks like wings. I don't know. Anyway, I'll have a look on the thing. Right, let me get all these into the fridge and I'll get a pen and I'll mark off what I've got. Okay, so there we go. I have got my first products in the fridge and the freezer. And yeah, I really like it. It's really well made. It's really cute. And yeah, next time I'm in Morrison's, which will be tomorrow, I will pick up another one of these. I will put these into the recycling, and the rest I don't think you can. So yeah, a little bit of waste on it maybe, but I will try and recycle as much of this as I can. But yeah, really, really good. if you do see it, really, really, really nice. Seriously, get one. Philly fridge. See you in the next mini episode. Bye, y'all.